How to streak on Snapchat app. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can streak on Snapchat. So this is for Snapchat beginners. So if you're a beginner, don't worry about it. I'll teach you guys how streaks work on Snapchat. So let's get started. The first thing you will need to do is, of course, open up your Snapchat app. After you open up your Snapchat app, head over to the friends area. Now, also make sure that you log in into your account first. And after you're here, what you'll need to do is you'll simply need to send a snap to someone. So that's the first step. So what streak is that it's running ongoing, sending snaps forth and to. So yeah, you guys have contact daily. Now you can simply take a picture for that. You can take a picture, you can send whatever you like and send it to that very friend. Now, if he returns another snap for you or he has already sent you a snap, you will get a streak right around here, right here, and it should be a burning icon. So it should be a fire icon. So if you forget that, you have started a streak with your friend, and after you start a streak, you will need to maintain it, and to maintain it, you will need to keep on sending, daily. You need to send snaps every day, each and every day, and make sure that you do not delay sending snaps. Now if you delay sending snaps, you will get your streaks will break off and you will not be sending having the streaks anymore. So that is the basics of Snapchat streaks. So yeah, if you want to start a streak, just send a snap to your friend and tell him or her to send one back, and you guys will start having a streak. And it's literally that simple. And that is all for the video too. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more, and bye bye. Take care.